Nikola Tesla never married. Isaac Newton died a virgin. Michelangelo refused to let anyone watch him work. We call them geniuses. But if you met them today, you would call them antisocial. You would call them weird. Modern society tells you that to be successful, you need to network. You need to be liked. You need to be connected. That is a lie. The 1% don't get to the top by socializing. They get there by disappearing. London, 1665. The Great Plague is killing thousands of people a week. The city is in chaos. Cambridge University shuts down. A 23-year-old student named Isaac Newton flees to a quiet farmhouse in the middle of nowhere. He has no professors, no friends, no distractions, just silence. For 18 months, he sat in that silence, and in that short time, he didn't just study, he rewrote the laws of the universe. He discovered calculus. He formulated the laws of gravity. He revolutionized optics. Historians call this the annus mirabilis, the year of miracles. But it wasn't a miracle. It was the result of radical isolation. Why does isolation work? When you are alone, your brain shifts frequencies. Most people live in beta waves, the state of alertness, stress, and reaction. Every time your phone buzzes, you are pulled back into beta. You are reacting to the world, not creating it. But when you remove the noise, when you sit in a room with nothing but your thoughts, you enter theta state. This is where the subconscious mind connects the dots. This is where the flow happens. As Tesla said, the mind is sharper and keener in seclusion and uninterrupted solitude. Originality thrives in seclusion. You don't need a plague to find this power. You just need to shut the door. This is called monk mode. Rule number 1, the ghost hours. Wake up before the world does. At 4 a.m., nobody is texting you. The energy of the world is quiet. This is when you build your empire. Rule number 2, zero noise. No music with lyrics. No podcasts in the background. Learn to sit with your own thoughts. If you are bored, good. Keep sitting. People will ask where you went. They will ask why you are ignoring them. Let them ask. If you want to be normal, stay in the crowd. If you want to be legendary, learn to be alone. Subscribe to the 1% Archive.